Auditor expert, auditors expert. An individual or organization possesses an expertise in a field other than accounting and auditing because auditor is the expert for auditing and accounting whose work is in the field is used by the auditor to assist the auditor to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence. So he needs someone who is expert in other than auditing and accounting, that person should be expert in that field, that he is being used to get an sufficient appropriate audit evidence. Main thing is sufficient appropriate audit evidence. This is the thing very important. Auditor expert may be either an auditor's internal experts, whether the who's a partner or a staff, including temporary staff or auditors firms or a network firm, or an auditor's external expert. So where he can be employee in the company itself, or in the employee of the temporary employee, permanent employee of the network of its audit firm, or even external. Some person is being recruited for the time being. That is, can also be an auditor's expert.